Hey guys, welcome back to my Cali style shuffle series. On this week's tutorial, we're going to be looking at something that I call a Cali spin. So today we're going to be looking at something I've termed a Cali spin, and it looks something like this. So from the side, what it looks like. In order to do a Cali spin, it is just a 3-count move, and all you are doing is you are going to drop your leg down for the first count. So if we're doing it on our right, you're just going to drop. And notice that the position that I currently have is the same base position that I have for my Cali style running man. So this type of position is really common for Cali style. And then after you drop your right leg to the ground, what you're going to end up doing next is that you're going to push back off your leg. But as you push off your leg, you're also going to start spinning towards the right, and you're going to beat your leg around in a quarter circle. So remember, with our continuous spins, in order to keep that momentum going, we had our leg beating in this kind of motion. So you're going to be doing the same thing with this. However, it's just going to be once that you beat your leg around. So just to go over that again, you have step 1, drop into that base position. And then on 2, you're going to push up and spin. And on 3, you're going to land back in the same position that we started in. So now you're going to push off your leg and also beat your leg around at the same time that you're spinning. And also be sure to spot your front position. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard to maintain your balance. So pushing off your leg and then dropping. So notice when we drop, we're back in that base position. So doing that one more time on our right, you have step 1, drop. Step 2, spin. Step 3, drop. So doing that all together, just a little bit faster on our right, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3. And that is all for our Cali spin. I just want to take this time to remind you guys to comment, like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, if there is a specific tutorial on a move or something that you want to learn, let me know in the comments below. That is all for this week's tutorial on Cali spins, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!